Hi, I'm Robert Seeley with THG Automation. I'm one of the co-founders, and I'm here with Albert Solano from Quantum Machinery. We exclusively buy our tables from Quantum Machinery. They are Siegmund tables, and one of the reasons we buy them is the base of our system is all about modularity, and the Siegmund table that's what it's basically designed specifically for, is modular. You can go from the System 16 table to the System 28, and our system fits on it and is really flexible. And so that's one of the reasons why we use their tables.
And again, my name is Albert Solano. I'm the president of Quantum Machinery Group. Quantum's been around since 2002. So we've been selling fabrication equipment, press brakes, shears, lasers, rotary benders. But a few years ago, roughly about 8 years ago, we got into selling welding tables, and we've grown to be the largest importer of Siegmund in the United States. So we generally stock about 1,500 tables out of Mooresville, North Carolina, and we ship nationwide. But THG and Robert, the whole team, has been great to work with. They're a good customer. The integration, they buy a lot from Quantum, so we definitely appreciate the business. So what makes the Siegmund tables being one of the highest quality tables out of the market is the through-hardened tool steel that Siegmund produces. So between the through-hardened tool steel, you have the plasma nitration process it goes through, and the bar coating process. That makes the table pretty much indestructible. And I say that because we do have our 8.8 series, which is a plus series, as you'll see here. So this is longer side skirting on the sides there. With having a system like this, again, they're modular tables, so you can put multiple tables, but having the longer side skirting, you can have longer squares, where typically a table will have 8-inch sides. This one's roughly about 12 inches. So you don't have that overhang when you use a square, which will give you more of a rigidity overall when you have a heavier piece.
So when we started, we actually used to make our own tables, like the tab and slot tables, which you can get pretty easily around the country, anywhere. And when I started searching for quality tables, that's how I ended up with Siegmund. And it is the clamping and the whole system that's together that really kind of elevates our system. We have a very high quality system overall, and that just kind of finishes the system and makes it complete. So Albert, thank you very much, and appreciate working with you.
Thank you, Robert. Same here.
Yeah.